Hello, tech-savvy drivers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and coolest gadgets for your beloved rides. In today's video, we're diving into the world of smart car accessories. These cutting-edge add-ons will not only enhance your driving experience, but also make your car smarter than ever before. Buckle up as we explore the top smart car accessories you'll want to equip your vehicle with. The OTOFIX IM1 Professional Car Key Programming Scan Tool is a must-have gadget for automotive enthusiasts and professionals. With its all-system diagnosis capabilities and 30-plus services, it empowers users to troubleshoot and diagnose a wide range of vehicle issues. The XP1 Programmer feature offers advanced IMO functions, allowing for key programming and immobilizer system adjustments. Its vibrant orange design ensures visibility in any workshop or garage setting. Take control of car key programming and diagnostics with this powerful and user-friendly scan tool. Capture your driving experiences in stunning UHD 4K resolution with the Cobra Smart Dashcam SC400. This feature-packed dashcam boasts built-in Wi-Fi and GPS for seamless connectivity and accurate location tracking. Alexa integration enables voice commands and access to live police alerts, incident reports, and emergency Mayday services. The 3 touchscreen provides easy navigation and control. With the included 16 GB SD card, you can start recording right away. Drive smarter and stay safe with this high-tech dashcam. Keep a close eye on your vehicles, motorcycles, bikes, or even your kids with the Invoxia real-time GPS tracker. Offering motion and tilt alerts, this tracker ensures you're always aware of your valuable assets' whereabouts. With a long-lasting battery life of up to 4 months in stationary mode, you can track without frequent recharging. Its black, sleek design makes it discreet and easy to hide in any vehicle. Stay connected and enjoy peace of mind with this reliable and affordable GPS tracker. Stay connected on the go with the Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro 5G mWave Wi-Fi 6 E-Mobile Hotspot Router. This portable business companion delivers fast and secure internet connections with speeds of up to 8 Gbps. Unlocked for international roaming in 125+ countries, it ensures seamless connectivity no matter where you travel. Turn your car into a smart assistant with the IOT EvoBoots dual-port USB A/USB-C car charger. This innovative car charger features built-in Alexa, enabling voice commands for hands-free control while driving. With high-speed USB-C PD 3.0 and USB C 3.0 ports, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously at rapid speeds. Compatible with Apple, Android, and Google devices, this charger ensures you stay connected and powered up on the road. Streamline your driving experience with the IOT Autosense Key wireless car charger. This automatic clamping dashboard phone mount offers wireless charging for Google Pixel, iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Huawei, LG, and other smartphones. The wireless charging feature eliminates the need for messy cables while ensuring your phone stays securely mounted. The automatic clamping mechanism ensures easy, one-handed operation for effortless phone placement and removal. Keep your device charged and within reach with this intelligent car charger. Breathe clean air inside your car, truck, or RV with the Philips GoPure GP 5611 small portable HEPA air purifier. Equipped with LED UVC purification, it efficiently reduces allergens, bad smells, smoke, pet odors, bacteria, and viruses. The compact and sleek design fits easily into your vehicle's interior. With a battery life of up to 4 months in stationary mode, this air purifier ensures you breathe fresh air during your journeys. Drive in comfort and stay protected with this powerful car air purifier. And there you have it, the top smart car accessories to elevate your driving game. Which one would you love to have in your car? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe for more exciting content on tech and automotive innovations. Until next time, drive safe and stay connected.